Positivity living me when I'm beating my enemies. And I had an epiphany that the chronic in pockets were bringing nothing but problems. Just being honest, spitting it quicker than Sonic. Now the sources are saying that I'm a sorcerer, storming. You best inform the informants that I am forming a legion of demons, speaking, not breathing. Let me slow it down. We tryna ride around, windows down. I'm just a team, but I'm wrecking the beats of legends in seconds. Me and my team, we ain't stressing. We know we beat all you peasants. Getting the cream, I ain't flexing, but shit, I'm still independent. That's how it go when you living like this. I got the flow and I'm spitting so sick. You rap for hoes and you rapping for chips, right? Not me, though I'm feeling so godly. They fold like origami. You and my team, but we feeling like an army. Our status is alarming and ladies think it's charming. Yeah. Keep on moving and proving because you know we ain't losing. Just dance to that beat, girl. Thank God that we don't live in that street world. So why we still sitting while living? Some of these children ain't sipping on any water, and daughters are getting slaughtered in their mama's stomach. You're thinking fuck it, dumb fucks, bust slugs, touch bucks. I ain't in it for that, I'm just in it to rap. They tryna win all the stacks, now I'm spitting the facts. Thank God for your life, any moment your last. While you holding the hash, make sure the potent is packed. To the back of the caddy, I'm with my homies, we laughing. I am an addict of rapping, once in a while you're relaxing. Don't live your life with regrets, live it right to the death. One day have my own crib, I guarantee you that I'm gonna be using acres. We got bad days, that's just human nature. Yeah, human nature. Yeah.